The best thing I like about this candidate is you guys are really energetic, and I love energy.
Very young applicants for this year who are just like in the first year of the high school and already looking to build up their own startup project. Imagine how far they can go in the next 10 years.
The tips for you guys I want to share with you. Prepare really well when you come to the interview. Read the program very clearly so you can speak those your applied program very well and very understand. Try to be really remember which programs did you apply.
Practice is really important. It gives you confidence. So pick anybody and practice, rehearse them before the interview. It can be your family, member, it can be your colleagues or friend.
There is a detailed video I make. You can just click on that one in the top of that video and you can take it and you can learn it. It's actually been sent to you in your interview application too.
You need to come up with very exciting brief introduction about themselves with the highlights. This one can be prepared.
During the interview, my tips is that stay calm, stay sharp, bring your notes, and start with a smile. Not a big haha smile, but a gentle person smile. That will give you a good kicker in your interview.
Show your passion, your understanding about the organization and the program.
Look, you applied for the scholarship program and now you're coming to the interview to be the next social champion. And I am really thrilled and excited to meet you. All the best. I'm looking forward to see you soon.